Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. What do you want to talk about, my love?
So today we want to talk about 4 reasons to sleep naked.
Ooh.
And I'd love to hear comments down below. Do you sleep naked? Yes or no, or you can just say, I sleep naked. I love the word naked. When I was a kid, I used to get naked in the grocery store. My mother tells stories. I would be in the shopping cart and she would run to another aisle. Those were the days when you could do that and your baby would still be in the cart. And she would come back, or women would hunt her down and say, ma'am, your child's disrobing.
Yeah.
So I've always loved to be naked, probably because I was born that way. And you and I do enjoy sleeping naked. We don't sleep naked 100% of the time, but I would say it's definitely in the 90s.
I think we're going to be 100% now. After these 4 reasons.
Absolutely, and we have been 100% since we discovered the 4 reasons, and we'd like to talk about them with you. So, reason number 1, which is really important to us, it's better for the planet because you have less laundry to do, right?
Right, yeah.
Number 2, it's less expensive because you no longer need to buy all those cute PJs.
Right, it's always hard to kind of keep, the pants and the shirts together. I always lost one.
Right, all of those holiday pajamas, and there was a pair of pants here at the top here. And
Holiday pajamas are what St. Nick used to bring them for our family the day before Christmas Eve, right?
Christmas Eve, and I think that they only got worn on Christmas Eve and then Christmas Day. So again, kind of a waste of money. So I know that our fellow YouTuber Graham would be pretty proud that we're giving up the jammies, and I hope you are too. And number 3 is very important to women. Sleeping naked is great for your vaginal health. It allows great airflow and circulation, and that's really, really important. So whether you're sleeping with somebody or alone, sleeping naked is just healthier for you. And
which brings us to number 4. If you are sleeping with somebody, sleeping naked allows for happier couples.
yes,
Right?
it does. So since we've been doing this research on naked sleeping, we have reverted to sleeping naked exclusively, and I can tell you that it definitely does make couples happier. It's really nice in the middle of the night if you wake up and you snuggle up, or you spoon your partner and there is no clothing between you. That comfort of the other person's body next to your body is really special, and we need to relish in that touch is so important. And I would love to put a challenge out to everybody to sleep naked for 30 straight days and then report back on how it feels for you, if it's made a difference in your relationship, in your intimacy, or just if it just feels that much freeing and it feels great that you're saving money and helping the planet, which are 2 very important things to most people, and if they're not, they should be, especially helping to save our planet.
Exactly. I like it.
Okay, so on that note, this is just a quick one. So we are wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love. Please click the like button down below if you like this message. And if you could hit the subscribe button, that would be incredible. And then we can bring you some other great tips on healthier living and happier relationships and all that good stuff.
Great, guys. Thank you. We'll see you soon.